Baking and Buttercream. Today we'll be making chocolate chip cookies. So let's take a break and bake. Today on Baking and Buttercream, we're doing a little something different and having a part 1 and part 2. And these episodes are chocolate versus vanilla chocolate chip cookies. So basically, this week I'm making chocolate chip cookies. Next week I'm making double chocolate chip cookies. And next week's video we'll find out which one's better. But this week we're making chocolate chip cookies. Now let's bake those chocolate chip cookies. Before we start baking, preheat the oven to 350. The ingredients you need are 2 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 of chocolate chips, 1 1/4 cup of tightly packed brown sugar, half a cup of sugar, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 1 cup of butter that has been melted and cooled for 10 minutes, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and finally 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So we preheated our oven and now we're going to combine our melted butter and our sugars. So now take your mixer and just mix it all together. Egg, and then mix that real well. Now the mixture that you just did before now will be a lot lighter because of the egg. Now it's time to put your vanilla in. Now we're gonna mix it again. Mix it, mix it, mix it. The wet mixture is done and set that aside. So now grab your other mixing bowl and you're gonna add your flour, your cornstarch, your salt, and your baking soda. Now mix it together. This is all done. Now let's add that wonderful mixture to this wonderful mixture. Then we'll add our chocolate chips. Now don't add too much of this because you don't want a whole bunch of flour right in your face. Now you're going to want to add in the rest of your dry ingredient mixture. This is what your dough should look like when you're all done mixing. So now let's fold in our chocolate chips. Now take your spatula, go under, fold above. Now turn, under, fold above. And just keep on doing that until it's all mixed in. Now my cookie dough is all done. The chocolate chips are well mixed. This is what it looks like. Hey! Take your cookie scoop. You're gonna scoop it and put it down on your pan. I got some leftover dough and another pan. So I'm gonna take the rest of this cookie dough, put it down in this pan, bake that, and have a monster cookie. That did not happen, YouTube. Now just press it down a little bit and shape it into a circle. Tell me the name that my band should be with kitchen utensils and food for the kitchen boys or whatever you guys want to call it. We have 20 cookies on this sheet, 20 cookies on this sheet, and 1 monster cookie on this sheet. Now let's put it in the oven. We just put the chocolate chip cookies in the oven. They should be there for 11 minutes. The Make It chocolate chip cookies should be there for about 13 or 14 minutes. But if you're not sure, just wait till they're golden brown on the edges. Now these chocolate chip cookies are so good and they look so good as well, especially when they're warm and have the hot melted chips still. But if you want the full taste review, you have to wait till the next week's video where we also make the double chocolate chip cookies and compare the two. Thank you so much for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I'm so glad that you were able to learn how to make chocolate chip cookies with me. Go watch some other videos before next week's video when the part 2 comes out. And then when the part 2 comes out, you can go watch that one as well. Don't forget to check out the description box below where you can follow my social medias. I have an Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. There's so many things you can do down there, including going to my website. You can see what's on my website. I have my videos there. I have a way for you to contact me. I even have a store there. There's a special link down in the description where you can go get anything I used in this video.